This one will be a very quick video and I don't eat up much of your time. So you can quickly take a screenshot of the part of your screen without opening the snipping tool. Let's see. What you need to do is just click windows+shift+s and it will pop up something like this, a screen snip, or you can choose anything. So here if I choose this one, so it is taken. So if I go to paint and if I try to just paste it, control V, you can see. Even if I do control shift S and I can take something like this and draw something freeform. You can see the notification, and even if I try control Z and control V, you can see it's in free form. And even if you are having multiple screens and want to take screenshot of both the screen at a time, we just hold control shift S and click the last option. You can see that it took a screenshot of both the screen. Control Z on paint, control V, let's minimize it. Yeah. Isn't that cool? See you again in the next video.